North Carolina, where apparently, and yes, I'm sorry, Brumman face, where apparently it snows. Got my dog out. Bus thoroughly in snow. And I'm gonna do the most Connecticut thing that I know possible and clear snow while it's still snowing, while my dog plays, and make it so that it's not gonna ice over later. So I wanted to do that. But I don't have a shovel, so I'm gonna use a broom because I'm in North Carolina. Who needs a shovel? So we're gonna do that. All right, I got the mat clear. Very easy. You can't really see it from that angle, but I'm just gonna sit out here with my dog in my wonderful, you know, cold world, because that's what we do. Very little cars going through. Koda! Koda, come! Good girl. She loves the snow, so we're gonna give her plenty of time outside. She's a shepherd, so might as well. As long as she doesn't drop the camera again and get everything soaked. But she wants to play outside. She's gonna play outside. And might as well indulge her while in the south, but getting northerner weather. So. Where's your ball? Get your ball. Get your ball. Here. Come on. Come. Yeah. You gonna play? Where's your ball? Come. Come. Yeah. To all the people that say dogs shouldn't be outside in this weather, get the right dog. She would rather be out here than sitting in the warmth, and she'd rather be playing outside in the snow. She does tell me when she's cold, but she'll run around for hours. Huh. Come here. Come. Good girl. We used to go for hikes, and we used to go for long walks in the snow, and we used to have a chicken coop pen that she used to play in, and she loved it. It's her favorite pastime, so might as well give her the time when she can get it. The snow will be melted by next week, so she won't get much time in it, but a little bit's fun, so let her run around and play. Alright, I think we're gonna go inside. She's to the point where she's just standing here following me. And she literally, that's her signal. And I'm gonna let her go inside and get warm. But she got to enjoy her time outside. We'll leave that unlocked. Come on. Good girl. Of course, she automatically finds the snow that's inside. Like, why would we find snow anywhere else? No. We're gonna find the snow that's inside for us to chew on and not worry. Oh, I forget that that stuff is slippery. All right, Koda, back up. We gotta go inside. We're not going back outside right now. I'm gonna take these boots off right here, even though I'm gonna get soaked in my feet over there. We're gonna take those off because those have snow all over them. They're also not good for the snow. I bought them for the Ren Fair and wasn't expecting snow this year. I should have thrown my hunting boots on, but I didn't. So I decided to throw those on while I went inside. Throw some lights on so you can actually see me. But I turned the heater on so that I'm not dying of cold. And Koda's not dying of cold. I like to come in here midday while it's cold and make sure that it's warm. It's actually fairly decent in here. So, but yeah, now we'll relax. I might take her out later. Might see if Emma wants to go out for a walk with her dog. Let them run a little bit. I gotta find her long leash, even though I can have her off leash, but I prefer to have her protected under all circumstances. So, but yeah, we might see if we do that later. Other than that, I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna read a book and go from there. I don't know if you can see me, but that's the spot I cleared this afternoon. It snowed another like 2.5 inches. I don't know what world we're living in right now, but like, we're officially at like 6 inches of snow. And the trees are fully encased. Apparently, we are in the north now. Crazy. Was not expecting that. Alright, next day, after the snowstorm, I cleared this last night when I went to bed. So it snowed another, 1/4 of an inch. Come on, Koda. Let's go this way. Snowed a decent amount for North Carolina. Shocking. Yeah, icicles all over the bus right now. Might have to try to knock those down, but good. Don't eat all this. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Come on. I gotta show you the icicles. Like, what even? What even? I don't know if I should leave them or if I should knock them down. I'm not sure what it'll do to my roof. I think we're gonna just knock them down. They'll refreeze later. Back inside. That's North Carolina for you. Send it to my dad. It was only just starting. You have to do it again.
Oh, I can do it again. Don't you worry, coldest. I hold the duck. Okay, you ready? Oh! 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 Oh!
Full video. Exactly what I wanted, apparently.
It's cold.
Yeah?
Wait, watch this though. I fell. Oh my god, it's cold.
She's a toddler, if you didn't know that. You know you're gonna probably have to change, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Mom, holy crap.
And she wants to play in the snow later. Oh, so exciting.
Okay, fun fact. She just barely missed dog shit.
Not shocked. Not shocked am I at all.